Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you green grilled chicken. First you have to take a garlic, ginger, pepper, mint, coriander leaf, chili and some lemon. So add a coriander leaf, mint and chili and curry leaves. And squeeze some lemon juice. And add garlic, ginger and pepper. After that grind it. Once you finish grind, take a chicken, cut into small pieces, and take a corn flour and add it to the chutney. And add some curd, salt, take chicken pieces and dip it into chutney for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Here my brother making a preparation for grilling. Here my brother making a chutney for grilled chicken. First he take a grilled onion, tomato and chili and some salt. Add some salt and squeeze lemon and grind it. Chutney is ready. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.